या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इन्व्हर्स लाप्लास ट्रान्सफॉर्मच्या बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज आणि फॉर्म्युले बघणार आहोत. ओके, लेट अस स्टार्ट. इन्व्हर्स लाप्लासची प्रॉपर्टी जी आहे त्यातली पहिली एक नोटेशन म्हणून, इट्स नॉट अ डेफिनेशन. जसं आपण साइन एक्सचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कॉस एक्स, मग इंटिग्रेशनच्या भाषेत आपण कसं बोलतो, इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ कॉस इज साइन. सिमिलरली लाप्लास ऑफ एफ ऑफ टी इज फाय एस, देन इन्व्हर्स लाप्लास ऑफ फाय एस इज एफ ऑफ टी. ओके, नंबर 2, and inverse into bracket a upon s, that is equal to a. Number 2, inverse Laplace of 1 upon s minus a, this comes e raised to at. Number 3, inverse Laplace of, say, 1 upon s raised to n plus 1, then we are writing t raised to n divided by n factorial. Number 4, inverse Laplace of 1 upon s minus log a, and this comes e raised to t. Number 5, inverse Laplace of s divided by s square plus a square. This answer comes cos at. Okay. Number 6, inverse Laplace of a divided by a square plus a square. Then you have to write sin at. Number 7, inverse Laplace of 1 upon or a upon a square minus, I am sorry, here I can write like this. This is standard formula. So here also I can write a square minus a square, and this comes sin at divided by a, and last an inverse into bracket s divided by a square minus a square. This comes cos at, hyperbolic. Okay, so these are standard formulae. Number 9, an inverse into bracket e to the power minus s into phi s, or we say that what we say is an inverse into bracket fs into gs, then that comes f of t into g of t. It is called convolution theorem in inverse Laplace transform. Okay, now we are writing properties. So what are the properties? First property, it is also called the shifting property. So what is that property? Inverse Laplace of phi of s minus a. Then you have to write e to the power at because of a, and because of s you have to write phi s or f of t. Yes. Then number 2, scale. Scale property is inverse Laplace of 1 upon s into phi s. This comes f of at. Number 3, multiplication by s. So here we write an inverse into bracket, an inverse into bracket s into phi s. This comes minus 1 by t into f of t. Sorry, t into f of t. Very sorry. This is
आकच पुसा आता ते आकच पुसा परत चालू
तसा
नाही ना नंबर 3. हां ते चालू.
number 3, inverse Laplace of minus phi dash, or directly we write phi dash. Then this comes minus t into f of t, right? So this is multiplication. Number 4, inverse Laplace of 1 by s into phi s, and this comes integration from 0 to t into f t dt. This is what is inverse Laplace. Okay, number 5, inverse Laplace of, if it is multiplied by s, phi s, then this comes, what it comes, f dash of t. Okay, f dash of t, provided that f of 0 is equal to 0. or we may write plus f of 0. Okay, then 6. Inverse Laplace of 1 upon s is over, derivative is over, integration s to infinity phi s into ds, and that becomes 1 by 2 into f of t. So these are half dozen properties. And one more property which is special one called as shifting property number 2, e raised to minus as into phi s. This is a. Then that comes f of t minus a, that is curly bracket here 0, here f of t minus a. This is for t less and this is for t greater. This is for t greater than a. These are conditions for f of t. So these are properties. In next video we are going to see problems depending upon inverse Laplace transform. Thank you.